Hello friends, today I will show you how to WordPress install in your website in cpanel. So I will show you custom install, not using the software. So I will show you one by one. So this is the cpanel and this is the our domain. I will install subdirectory. I mean custom. I will install custom folder and I will close all tabs. First of all, you need to download the WordPress software, WordPress.org. You need to visit the WordPress.org website, then get WordPress and download WordPress latest version. WordPress is downloading now. In the meantime, you need to create the database. So you are looking for the database section. After scroll some, then you see the php-admin and this is the MySQL database. Okay, this is the php-admin interface, dashboard, database dashboard, and I will create new dashboard. New database. From here, you need to click here. Okay, database name will be custom. Alright, database creating done. Back and need to create the database user custom. Also set the database user password. I just copy and create the user and save the credential. Okay, this is the db pass and this is the database. Okay, and need to add database and database user. The custom, no, click the add and select all checkbox and make change. So our database is ready. Now if I reload here, then you will show the custom database. Alright, yeah, this is the custom database. Our WordPress installed in this database. Okay, so our database part done. Now need to WordPress software upload. Okay, this is the public and I will create a folder custom. Okay, custom and upload here. I'll drag here. It will take little time for the uploading. So uploading was done. If I reload here, not showing because it's not complete. It will be green when upload complete. Okay, so let's reload it. In the meantime, we'll do another part. Directory creation done. So when we'll WordPress setup complete, then they're showing the WordPress website. Okay, so still now taking time, don't worry, file will be show here when incomplete. Not now it's complete. Now we can reload here. Yeah, I see the WordPress file. Now we need to extract. Okay, delete. Now all file move to custom folder, move to custom folder, move down custom. Now we can remove, delete the WordPress folder. If we hit the custom directory, then showing the interface. Okay, Yahoo. So now select the language according to unit. We'll select the English. Let's go. Now need to import some information. Previously we prepared the information. This is the database name and this is the database username. Our database name and username same, that's why I put the same name. Okay, this is the database password, the password. No need to change anything. If you want to change the prefix, you can change. Now click to submit button. Now click the run install. Now you can put here some information, username, admin, password you can put as you need. You can put the email. This is the as unit you can disable right now. Okay, save. Okay, now you can log in. Yeah. Now WordPress website is live. We are installing the step by step and custom, not using the any software. So this video I think helped to you. So thank you for the watching and stay with us for the next video, and subscribe and like button. Hit the like button. Thank you for the watching. Bye bye.